Hey guys, let's say you have the average order value of $40 in your Shopify store and you want the customers to buy more from your store and you want to motivate them to increase their average order value. So, for example, you have $40 average order value and you want to increase it to 50 so that you can offer the free shipping at $50, and you can also show them visually that if you spend $50 they can get the free shipping. And also if you want to push a little more, you can uh, offer them a free gift on around $60 or maybe $70. So in this way, um your average order value of the store will be increased. Let me show you. For example, we are at around $40 order right now. So the visual representation right here, you can see it is showing that if we spend 10 more dollars on the store, we will get the free shipping. So the customer will be motivated to increase the order value. So you can see that if we spend 10 more dollars, the free gift will be unlocked. So this visual representation motivates the customers to increase their average order value. So most of them will likely increase their average order value to get the free gift. So you can see when the free gift threshold is achieved, this free gift item is automatically added to the cart. And if we decrease the quantity, decrease the average order value, you can see the free gift will be automatically deleted from the cart. So I have implemented this solution into the Shopify Dawn theme, and I have written down all the steps that you can follow to implement this into the Shopify Dawn theme. But if you want to implement this any of your Shopify theme, you can message me on WhatsApp by clicking the button right here at the bottom right corner. So I'll be happy to help you. Okay, so now let's see how we can implement this into the Shopify Dawn theme. First of all, we need to create the schema settings. Schema settings are the settings that are present into the theme settings that you can control the free shipping threshold and the free gift threshold, and also you can select the item that you want to offer as a free gift. Okay, so first of all we need to go to the schema settings, settings schema.json, and we have to search for this line, and before the opening curly braces we have to paste this. You can see right here I have pasted. We can select the text and fix the indentation by pressing the tabs and save the file. And after that, we have to add the schema translations. If we have to go to the endefault.schema.json, and we have to search for the card drawer. This line. endefault.schema.json. We have to search for this line, and above that, this line, we have to paste these translations for the schema settings. And after that we have to search, go to the en.default.json and search for this line. And below this line we have to add all these translations, and we can fix the indentation like this. And in the third step we have to create the snippet. In the snippets, cart rewards bar dot liquid. We have to copy the content and paste it right here. And in the fourth step, we have to update the cart drawer dot liquid snippet. Cart drawer dot liquid. In the snippet cart drawer dot liquid, we have to search for this line, the cart drawer items, and above this line we have to paste this code. And save the file. And in the fifth step, into theme.liquid file, we have to search for the closing head tag, and above that we have to copy and paste this line. And you can see that we have in the free gift item, we have the default value of the product handle that we are offering as a free gift. So you can see that I am offering this as a free gift, and this product is currently unlisted. To keep this unlisted, the purpose of unlisting this product is that the user will not be able to search this particular product from the store. This product will be only added to the cart using the script when the free shipping threshold and when the free gift threshold is achieved, so that the user will not be able to buy this explicitly from the storefront. So therefore we have kept this unlisted, and you have to create this unlisted free gift product, and you have to copy this handle of the product right from here, and you have to update this according to your store and save the file. And in the sixth step, you have to create an automatic discount. I have created the automatic discount amount of the amount of for the product, and I have selected this product and 100% discount, and I have combined with all the other discounts. And for the last step, we have to hide the quantity buttons for the free gift item that we added into the cart. You can see there are no quantity buttons for the free gift. So in the cart drawer.liquid file, cart drawer.liquid snippet, we have to search for this line, and after that we have to paste this code right here, and on the line above that we have to paste this code. I am pasting it on the 275 number line, and here we go. I have implemented this into the live theme. You can see ecom Dawn Master, and this is the theme, and this was my draft theme. So now I will just open this in the incognito window to test this into the live theme. Okay, so you can see that we have one item into the cart, and if we increase the quantity, let's meet the free shipping threshold, and now let's meet the free gift threshold, and the free gift item is automatically added into the cart. So in this way you can offer the free shipping and the free gift with the visual representation into the cart drawer, which will motivate the users to increase their average order value to get the free shipping and the free gift as an incentive, and which will result in increasing their average order value. So I hope this helped uh, this video helped you. So if you want me to implement this solution into your store, or you want me to implement in any of your Shopify theme, I'll be happy to help you. You can reach out me on the WhatsApp. Thank you.